to her, and away they get. Nugent gets a good start, so is Danielle Williams, and Tia Jones has been left a little bit at the moment. Also going well is Cartwright, but look at Williams. Williams is going to take this. Williams just gets the lead.
Danielle Williams made history as the only Caribbean athlete to claim a Grand Slam title at the inaugural Grand Slam Track Meet 2025 held in Kingston, Jamaica. With over $100,000 in prize money at stake, the event was packed with electrifying performances, setting the stage for a thrilling 2025 track and field season. This track meet showcased global talent, from Gabby Thomas's stunning 200-meter victory to Sydney McLaughlin-Levrone's world-leading 400-meter hurdles time. In this video, let's break down the highlights and discuss what's next in the Grand Slam Track series. The meet saw the Olympic champion Gabby Thomas run a very convincing 22.62 seconds to win ahead of Olympic 400-meter champion Marilady Paulino of the Dominican Republic, who came in second with 22.93 seconds, and 2019 Doha World Champion Dina Asher-Smith of Great Britain in third with 22.96 seconds.
Safely away first time. Asher-Smith got out pretty good. Naser just got left a little bit. You'd expect that by the two sprinters on the outside, but it's Gabby Thomas around the top end who's just got half a metre on Dina Asher-Smith, and Thomas normally starts to go away from this point. Naser running well in third at the moment, and then there's a battle with Paulino charging down the last 30-40, but it's going to be Gabby Thomas. Asher-Smith might just hang on here. It's Gabby Thomas, but Paulino with a real surge.
The next day, women long sprinters returned for an epic 400-meter race. The event saw Salwa Naser of Bahrain going out hard from the start, and there was no stopping her as she sped to a stadium record of 48.67 seconds to become the first woman to run sub-49 on Jamaican soil.
Into the home straight, and look at Gabby Thomas. She's fighting with Paulino. The 200 and 400 Olympic champions are a long way behind the winner, but who's going to get the slam? Naser wins it. Thomas.
Gabby Thomas was second with a massive personal best of 49.14 seconds, and Marilady Paulino was third with her fastest season opener of 49.35 seconds to rule out the top three. Tia Jones of the United States ran a brilliant race in the 100-meter hurdles as she crossed the line in 12.63 seconds to win the event.
Nugent gets out pretty quickly right over the far side. Cartwright started fast, so did Tia Jones as well. And Tia Jones just has the lead at the minute. Camacho Quinn is charging, and also Danielle Williams, but it's going to be Jones who gets it. That's the surprise.
Jamaica's Danielle Williams was second with 12.70 seconds, and Puerto Rico's Jasmine Camacho Quinn was credited with the same time for third. In the women's 100-meter race, the National Stadium witnessed a Jamaican quinella. Danielle Williams won in 11.54 seconds, Akira Nugent came in second with 11.57 seconds, and Jasmine Camacho Quinn was third with 11.73 seconds. Sydney McLaughlin-Levrone of the United States blew away the field in the 400-meter hurdles and ran a world-leading time of 52.75 seconds ahead of her countrywoman Dalila Muhammad, who ran 54.59 seconds for second, and Jamaican Rochelle Clayton ran 55.02 seconds for third.
Clayton doing a level best to hang on to the American here, but McLaughlin-Levrone doing what she does best. Clayton just faltered off that one. Dalila Muhammad moving through in lane two as well, but they're a long way behind. McLaughlin-Levrone over the last hurdle. Storms on now, just watch the clock here. See what she's going to give us here in Kingston. 52.76.
In the 400-meter, Sydney McLaughlin-Levrone followed up her 400-meter hurdles win with a 50.32 second win. Jamaica's Antoinette Knight was second with 52.09 seconds, and Dalila Muhammad was third with 52.21 seconds.
Sydney out on her own as we expected it to be, then it's going to be a real scrap for the minor places behind her. Tate is just starting to tread water in the home straight there, but it's Sydney McLaughlin-Levrone who's going to come through to make it 2 wins in the women's long hurdles. It's 50.32.
If you're enjoying this video so far, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. In the men's 100 meters, Olympic silver medalist Kenny Bednarek from the United States narrowly beat Jamaica's Oblique Seville to take the win with a time of 10.07 seconds. Seville finished with 10.08 seconds, just ahead of his training partner Zarnell Hughes, who placed third with 10.13 seconds.
Bednarek gets a good start. Fred Curley just got left a little bit, also going well as Lindsay over in two, but it's Kenny Bednarek, and then look at Seville right through the middle. Seville is going to just about, no he doesn't, oh no!
Bednarek followed up his 100-meter win in the short sprinters group with a 20.07 seconds to win the 200-meter ahead of Zarnell Hughes, who was second with 20.37 seconds, and Fred Curley of the United States was third with 20.39 seconds.
Kenny gets out well, so does Fred Curley's absolutely burst out of the blocks, but Bednarek is running a beautiful turn. He's gone past Seville, he's gone past Hughes, he's got a metre or so from Curley into the home straight, and it's Bednarek who continues to go away. Hughes is charging at the end, but they're not going to catch Kenny! Kenny takes the win, 20.06.
Jereem Richards of Trinidad and Tobago placed second in the 200-meter for the long sprinters group with 20.81 seconds behind Matthew Hudson-Smith of Great Britain, who ran 20.77 seconds, and Jamaica's DeAndre Watkin was third with 20.91 seconds.
Chris Bailey actually gets out pretty sharp. Matt Hudson-Smith has made up some ground on him. Samakonga going well as well around the bend. Vernon Norwood with some work to do right on the inside. And also going well, Kevin Nat Shippey, but there's not much to choose between them. Matt Hudson's got some work to do to get amongst it. And the Brit is coming and he's charging quickly, but it's going to be right in the middle for Matt Hudson-Smith gets it.
Paris Olympic 400 meters hurdles finalist Roshawn Clarke of Jamaica ran a brilliant race to finish second in 48.20 seconds. The race was won by 2022 Eugene World Champion Alison dos Santos of Brazil, who had a world-leading time of 47.61 seconds. Caleb Dean of the United States was third with 48.58 seconds.
Lane 7 and his teammate Chris Robinson. Has dos Santos got anything? Roshawn Clarke starting to come back. This is where the wind might affect them. Have they gone too hard? Robinson is treading in water here. Dos Santos is coming through. Who's going to get to the line first? It could well be the Brazilian. Dos Santos takes it.
Overall, the Grand Slam track was exciting for athletes and fans. Most of the participants at the meet are now likely to shift their attention to the Miami leg of the meet that will be held in May. As we wrap up the thrilling Grand Slam track meet in Kingston, we're reminded of the incredible talent and determination that fuels the world of track and field, brighter than ever. What was your favorite moment from the Grand Slam track meet? Do you think Daniel Williams' historic win marks a new era for Caribbean athletes in global track and field? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear you out. Also, check out our video on the top 5 fastest 60-meter female sprinters in the Caribbean. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting updates. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a thrilling moment. This is Caribbean Focus Sports, and we'll see you in the next video.
$100,000 richer. Did you ever think about that happening at a track meet for you outside of the Diamond League at the end of 6 races?
To be honest, I really don't think about the money like that. I try to focus on the things that I can control, and that is my race. And so it's a cool concept, and it's good to know that you don't walk away with so much money. It definitely is a great plus to us, and we deserve it because we train as hard as any other, probably harder than every other sport, just for 12 seconds. And you can't really get it back, so I'm pleased with that.